Hi friends, this is Rakesh. Now we are going to see how we can write our first Java program using NetBeans. NetBeans is a tool that helps us to write a Java code and it will automatically compile and it will run. So now I am going to explain how to write a Java code. First open NetBeans, any version can be 7, 7.1, 8, or 8.1, 8.2, etc. It doesn't matter. Then click on File and then select New Project. Then click on Java Application and then click on Next. Then give your project name test1 or test2 and then click on finish. NetBeans is so intelligent, it will automatically generate code for you. So this is the auto generated code. See, now I'm going to explain each thing in detail. This is called comments, multi-line comments. I will discuss about this in further videos. So basic comments are used to give some information for the developer regarding the code. This anything that is present inside the comments are not executed are not used for compilation process. Then comes the package keyword and the package name. So package means since we have created project called test2, NetBeans automatically puts that uh, creates a file called test2 and it puts the test2 file in test2 package. So I will talk about this package in detail in the further videos. So now consider this a package. Package is a folder that contains many sub-packages or subfolders, and each folder may contain single or multiple files. Currently, test2 is a small test2 is a package, and test2 is a file that is present in test2 package. And this is also a multi-line command. And then comes the class, public class test2. The name of this class is test2. So we will discuss about class in detail in the further videos. For now, consider class is a folder that holds the variables and the requirements that are needed for the class. And then comes the multi-line arguments. Sorry, multi-line comments. We'll talk about this in the further videos. For anything, there needs to be a point where the execution needs to be started. In Java or in C or C++, main method is the starting point where the actual execution starts. So whatever you write inside the main method will be executed first and then the other methods. From main method, you can call any method or you can use any variable. So we will talk about this in detail in the further videos. So public is a access specifier. Basically, there are three widely used access specifiers: public, private, and protected. And static is a modifier. And void is the return type. We will discuss and same thing. We will discuss about this in detail in the further videos. Main is the function name. So you can create a custom functions. We will talk about that in the further videos. String is the return argument type. So this means argument array. So now we are going to run the first Java program. Basically, programs have a tendency to execute hello world as a first Java program. So, system out dot println. This command or syntax tells the machine to print the content that is present inside the double quotes. So whatever you write inside double quotes will be executed and printed in the terminal. Here and the semicolon. Semicolon is used to end any statement. So in our language, we use full stop to end the statement. In programming language, especially in Java, we use semicolon to end our ternary statement. So okay, so just save it by using Control S and run. See, we got our output hello world. So technically, what it does is it basically gives this file to the compiler to compile the file. The compiler will gives and then the compiled file will be executed. So finally we got the output called hello world. Thanks for watching. Please keep watch this channel videos. I will explain about each syntax in detail in further videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.